Good afternoon to everybody. Today we speak about Week 4, Parcial 4. Buenas tardes, chicos. Vamos a hablar acerca de la semana 5 del Parcial 4 para sexto. Recuerde que usted tiene que tener su usuario y su contraseña en Live Worksheets y ya usted tiene que ingresar. Aquí en este caso ya tenemos nosotros para ingresar. Vamos a ingresar. Está cargada la ficha. La ficha es la número 5, okay? Today we speak about ceviche, how to prepare a ceviche. Look at this picture, picture number 1 and picture number 2. You have this is Ecuadorian ceviche, join, this is Peruvian ceviche. Vamos a leer y a responder las siguientes preguntas. Ecuadorian ceviche is fresh and delicious. Sure fish or shellfish ceviche are popular types of ceviche. The basic ingredients for sauce are tomatoes, orange juice, and lemon juice. Additionally, red onion, green pepper, and coriander gives Ecuadorian ceviche a special taste. We serve Ecuadorian ceviche with pork or salty, red prawns. Some people like to eat ceviche with white rice. Ecuadorian ceviche is fresh and delicious. Fresh and sweet or fresh and salt. The correct answer is A. Fresh and delicious. 2. The types of ceviche are sure fish or shellfish, chicken, fish or chocho, meat, chicken or shellfish. The answer correct is A. Sure fish or shellfish. 3. The basic ingredients for sauce are. Look at this. For sauce are tomatoes, orange juice, red onion, pepper, and lemon juice. We serve Ecuadorian ceviche with pork or salty fried plants, with bread or French fries, or with cookies and cake. The answer correct is A. Next, homework number 5. Peruvian ceviche contains a fresh fish. They cut the fish into small pieces and marinate it in lemon juice. Then they add different sizes of hot peppers, onions, and coriander. The ingredients in the Ecuadorian and Peruvian ceviche are similar, but the Peruvian serve their ceviche with corn, lettuce, and sweet potatoes. ¿Ya? Vamos a responder las siguientes preguntas. Peruvian ceviche contains fresh fish. Is the letter A. How do you make the ceviche? They cut the fish into small pieces and marinate in lemon juice. They cut the fish into big pieces and marinate it in lemon juice. They cut the fish and small pieces and submerge in lemon juice. The correct answer is A. They add different types of hot peppers, onions, and coriander, hot cucumber, onions, and coriander, hot peppers, corn, and coriander. The answer is A. They add hot peppers, onions, and coriander. Peruvian serves their ceviche with corn, lettuce, and sweet potatoes, corn, banana, and sweet potatoes, corn, lettuce, and French fry. They serve with corn, lettuce, and sweet potatoes. ¿Ya? Now vamos a unir cada nombre con el respectivo gráfico. Onions. Tenemos tomato. This is tomato. You have syrup. You have fish. You have popcorn. You have cilantro, lemon juice, pepper, you have orange juice, and shellfish. This is all, guys, for you. Thanks. Todo eso es todo, chicos. Muchas gracias. Buenas tardes. Recuerde al final poner terminado y tiene su tarea, ¿ok?